So tell us more about entropy.
There are many interpretations of entropy, and people are beginning to realize that entropy is the first entropy was from a collapsing of gravity, which gave rise to what they call a big bang. But the bang was really an emission of what is called Hawking radiation, or gamma rays, which come from the collapse of gravity on a huge scale, which almost like, as Sir Roger Penrose described, it's a collapsing of the previous, the disappearing of a previous eon. And as it disappears, it leaves a wave which is a sum total almost of that eon, remixed because it's collapsed in a huge gravitational restructuring. What that looks like is so we don't know, but if we are using analogies that we know from physics, it could be like from water to from liquid to gas, that the same materials have different forms. So entropy, in many ways, is a different form of energy. It is, in the case of the first entropy, is the previous eon, incredible energy from billions of years ago, collapsed, restructured, leaving an imprint of a great energy imprint which travelled throughout the cosmos for 14 billion years, got caught up in Earth's ellipse between the moon, as Sir Roger Penrose says, and the Earth, and seems to be feeding the organic brain, which has, for some reason of its incredible adaptability, has been able to, much in parallel almost to photosynthesis, to the plant, the membrane of the brain, or these neuronic cells, these sub-neuronic cells, which are able to work on vibrations, on micro vibrations, which for some reason, which I'm still not clear about, language has been able to find a sensitivity with it and reflect it, and then through other ages like law and systems and morality and sets of systems throughout, which can be ensured throughout a long period of time, this, our behavior was able to be changed, and we were able to communicate using now electronic methodologies to communicate biological knowledge in electronic mediums, to share throughout our groups. So we may be in a very unusual period where not only are we registering this entropy in our consciousness, but we're also sharing some results of this entropy with each other and getting a focus on it. Because of our group structures, we are combining our biological, our social, and now the way that we interact technologically, and cross-referencing it using high tech, which is going to make the big difference.